have one of those zip tools to cut out the outlets, but I'm just going to do it the old way. Cut them out by hand. It's not that big a deal. And if I use that tool on the exterior walls, it'll just chew up the plastic, which I've taken care to put on as a vapor barrier. So I could use it on the interior walls, but there's not that many. Anyway, let's cut these out. Alright, let's see how good I did. There we go. And we'll just screw it off. There's the back wall for the washer dryer. I'm going to do this side wall over here just because I can. I'll do it in one sheet. But these blasted sheetrock screws always give me these little metal shards in my fingers, and I got to go dig this one out because it's a pain in the neck. And then I'll finish that sheet. All right, there's that. Now this is not normal. No, I guess normal is hanging the ceiling first, but my priority is to get into the pantry and get that hung. So, but I wanted to get these two walls done. I'm going to actually tape them and then wire the outlets and hook up the washer dryer. So let's mud some walls next. There's one coat of mud on here. So next thing I'm going to do is wire these two outlets, this one and that one, and then I'll go down in the panel and hook that up to a breaker, and then slide these two washer dryer in place, and we should be ready to wash clothes. All right, well this is what we're doing. I'm going to start with this one. So basically, this one is the feed that comes from the panel, and this is the jumper that goes over to the other outlet. So I'm not an electrician. This isn't a how-to, but I've done a bunch of wiring, and I'll tell you what I know, which is not much. So we're going to go, I was told, black to brass. So there's brass and there's silver. So the black ones go on the brass side, and the white ones go on the silver, and the ground goes in the green. And as you can see, there's a bar connecting both of these two screws. So if you're going to do a switched outlet, you would break that bar so that they would be two separate outlets here, the top one and the bottom. But we're not going to do that. Because we're going to jump to the other one. I'm going to hook both blacks to here, so the electricity will come in, transfer to the other side, and jump over there, and the whites will complete the circuit going backwards. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to strip these wires, cut them back, strip them, put them on, And there you have it. Not too hard. I'll be right back. Alright, there's the second outlet. So we got the black one on the brass side and the white in the ground. And now I just got to put the wires in the box. This dryer only requires a 110 outlet. So you can see there's a 220 volt outlet next to it. That's for somebody in the future can run the regular dryer with that. Put on some face plates, and we'll go downstairs and hook up the breaker, and these will be live. Alright, first load of laundry in the new house. Hopefully there are no leaks. And this is all temporary, so don't judge us. See you later.